Hi friends, this is Trading Monk. Yeah, I have drawn a Darvas box for Bitcoin, combining almost 2 to 3 months. Okay, let's see what is a Darvas box. A Darvas box simply means a rectangular pattern which is induced by traders or a formation. Breakdown of which Darvas box will have a perfect bull or bear run. Okay, the market can have a trading opportunity in a big mode. Let's say the Darvas box which I have drawn now has its base at our dynamic support level, which is around $29,000. The market may break Bitcoin in the downward trend from here, or sometimes it can touch the 29,000 and bounce back and break the Darvas box like this, or we can even see having the Darvas box breakdown like this. Yes, these are the scenarios which we are perspecting as of now. As I said yesterday, I still didn't take any bullish or bearish stand as of now. Okay, we are still searching for a good trading opportunity, and don't trade with over leverages as of now. You may stay in the market but not for long. Okay, yes, I have also drawn a Darvas box previously, covering some 5 to 6 months. We had a long consolidation, after which we had a breakdown during the November time, in which the Darvas box broke out, and from around nearly $13,000 it has broken, and now it was near somewhere up to it gone up to $60,000, and now we are again forming a Darvas box of consolidation. Basically, Darvas box is a box of consolidation. We can expect a trade opportunity, after which the market breaks the Darvas box. Okay, this is the purpose of Darvas box. We can see some very good examples in from DeFi coins. Wait, let me show you Atom. Okay, Atom's a DeFi token. You can see its Darvas box. I will draw it live. Okay, I'll draw it live. Yeah. Okay, let's have this as a period of consolidation, and we can have a breakdown. Okay, yes. Let's say the Darvas box was broken here and it was trying to fall, but our 21-day SMA held it with a good support, and from nearly $6 to $8 range, after the breakdown of the Darvas box, the Atom flow up to $25. Okay, it's almost $25. It's a very good profit, even if in the stock market, in the spot market. Okay, yes, that's what I'm saying. Breaking down of Darvas box will give a fruitful move for every technical analysts. Okay, I'm a technical analyst, and sometime I'll be fundamental based on the news. Okay, another, I want to say you something. Don't depend on fundamental analysis for crypto market, because crypto markets are highly volatile. They can be easily manipulated by anybody. Okay, they can be easily manipulated, and one cannot simply act and be profitable in the crypto market for a long while, and because they are fundamental analysis. Okay, everyone have to be technically somewhat strong, not very strong. They have to know some technical aspects of the chart to stay in cryptos for a longer time. That is the requirement, I'm saying. And I always insist on using Fibonacci levels for intraday trades. Okay, I always use Fibonacci levels. As I told you yesterday, the market is still sideways. This sideways indicates that there is a fight between bull and bear. Now today, in some responses I see, bulls are getting a bit stronger. They are trying to push the market upward, and they are keeping it in a level. They are keeping the market in the level. Yes, I'm seeing it. This is a 4 hours time frame chart. Let's check. There is a changeover between red and green candles, and they are still doji. Okay, they are not getting powerful, but now it seems bulls are taking power and they are taking trend, it seems to be. Okay, we can still wait and see what will happen to the market. Okay, yes, my views are always personal and I only do these videos for educational purpose. Kindly consult your financial advisor before doing any investments. Okay, don't do over leverage trades. My kind advice: risk what you can afford or what you can lose. Yes, that's all for today's video, friends, and thank you. Darvas box, it's a kind concept and you can use it sometimes to read, to study, whatever you need. Okay, thank you, friends. Like, share and subscribe this video if you like it. If you have any questions regarding my Bitcoin analysis, kindly ask in comment section. I'll make reply in the next video. Okay, thank you, friends.